by for a message from the National Weather Service.
This is a special weather statement issued at 3:01 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Clackamas County in northwestern Oregon, southeastern Marion County in northwestern Oregon, central Lynn County in northwestern Oregon, northeastern Lane County in western Oregon, until 3:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:01 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated severe thunderstorms capable of producing half-dollar-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These dangerous storms were located along a line extending from 8 miles northwest of Detroit to near Springfield, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Numerous reports of power outages due to strong wind gusts have been reported associated with this storm. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cascadia, Nimrod, Belknap Springs, Detroit, Leesburg, Upper Soda, Santiam Junction, Green Peter Reservoir, Foster Reservoir, Walterville, Blue River, Breedenbush Springs, Edina, Snow Peak, Bagby Hot Springs, Marcola, Elkhorn, Table Rock, Sweet Home, and Marion Forks. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a shroud building and away from windows.